We now want to cross over to other issues that are also shaping news in the country. Our reporter Allan Aoko has been following up for us changes that are currently being implemented at the Kenya Revenue Authority. He's now joining us live to give us an update of what are these changes all about. What is new, Allan? If you can hear me, a very good afternoon. What can you tell us?
Safin, I'm not sure if you caught the message by the Kenya Revenue Authority on social media on Wednesday, where they were asking Kenyans for opinions regarding a change of name from Kenya Revenue Authority to Kenya Revenue Services. It elicited a lot of reactions online, and we were curious to find out, what do Kenyans actually feel on the ground? Will the change of name translate to a change of service? Remember, Kenya Revenue Authority has been on this journey of trying to rebrand itself in order to, customize itself into a relatable customer service entity with the people, so that it even boosts its revenue collection with the relationship it has with the people. This journey started about 6 months ago, and is something that is supposed to continue up to June next year. And perhaps what will also be included in this change of names is perhaps the corporate colors, to reflect something which the Kenya Revenue Authority says is a good image to the public. And joining me is a Kenyan as well, just to hear his thoughts and tell us what he feels about the change of name. Labda uanze na majina na utuelezee, unaonaje KRA ikigeuza ikuwe Kenya Revenue Services?
Kwa majina ni Albert. Mimi naona authority, kwanza the word authority inaokopesha. Authority ikuwa service, maybe tunafikiria maybe ni mzuri, juu watu kama sisi huko KRA huko Times Tower tunaogopa, sababu ukisikia authority tunaona na ukienda ushikwe, lakini service tunaona maybe inaweza kuwa poa.
Na ni nini ingine labda unaona ikibadilishwa, sio jina peke yake? Ni nini ingine unaona wanaweza badilisha ili Wakenya waone kweli imebadilika?
Kwanza huko watu wa KRA huko mtaani inafaa washuke waangalie sisi, juu kweli hatujui. Hata watu wengi, mimi nafikiri mimi niko mmoja wao, hatujui ati as in kulipa hiyo KRA ni nini.
All right, Allan Aoko there interacting with Kenyans concerning the proposed changes of the Kenya Revenue Authority as it seeks to rebrand. We will be getting more details about this as well. Kenyans there expressing their sentiments concerning the shift from the word authority to services as part of the rebranding by the Kenya Revenue Authority.